Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make a face mask. It is very easy. You don't need to use any sewing machine or any needles or thread. Just all you need is a piece of handkerchief, regular handkerchief. This is maybe for men and maybe for ladies, whatever you like, this size. If you don't have a handkerchief, even you can cut the material for this size. So I'm gonna use this one today. Handkerchief, scissors, and pantyhose, nylon. And if you don't have this, you can use the socks. This is using for ear thing. Okay, let's start. Okay, so folding handkerchief this way once and twice, and make one fold so it will fit to your face, and fold one side into the middle and fold another side into the middle, so it's gonna be face mask's body. And now I'm showing you how to make the ear, hanging to the ear. So cut your pantyhose about 2-inch long. Of course you need 2, right? So one is left, one is right side. Okay, so like this, cut, and then you pull. So actually this is very comfortable. I think this is comfortable, more comfortable than regular mask. So let's see. Now I'm going to put this into the mask. So hold one side and go through what you fold one side, and another one go to another side, okay? And put in and fold back like this, okay? And you go one handkerchief put into the another side like this. We are ready, already done. Let me put into my face. So I recommend when you fold, make fold thing in a downward. So if something fall, it will go this way. Okay, let's put into the face. Very easy. Done. It's only 5 minutes and very easy. Thank you. Bye bye.